Hey everybody, it's Ben at Fish and Ski Marine, and I'm at our store in New Braunfels. And today I want to showcase to you our last 2024 1775 Lund Renegade. This is a Texas edition. It's equipped with a Mercury 90 horsepower motor, two 7-inch Garmins, a Minn Kota power drive trolling motor that has spot lock feature. And again, this is our last 2024 model remaining. This is being sold at dealer cost, so our loss is your gain. So stop in and see us here in New Braunfels, or check us out online at fishandski.com. Thanks.